Hey folks, Van Captain Woody here. Welcome to my next video. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification let you know when I upload a new video. Well, today's moving day. I'll tell you why on the next side, why I'm moving. Even though it's been, here, let me show you right quick. Even though it's been pretty nice weather here, it's just time to move on along. Got some things going on with one of my sisters, my siblings, that I'm keeping track of, and so I may be going back south sooner than planned. But for now, we're going to head east towards Nebraska because they're calling for 2 to 4 inches. I told y'all anyways. So bear with me. We'll catch y'all on the other side. Well, folks, here in San Isabel National Forest in Colorado, it's mid-May, the week and a half before Memorial Day. This is the camp. I am leaving. It's been nice weather, other than the wind gusting, but they're calling for snow this weekend. 2 to 4 inches down here where we're at. A total of 36 inches up there on the mountains. I don't know if you can see the white, a little bit of white up there. You see 36 inches and 2 to 4 inches down here. I think I'm heading to Nebraska and see what goes on there. But this was the camp that I stayed at, so bear with me. I'm getting ready to drive out of here, heading east to say the least. 10-4. Catch you on the other side. Alright folks, welcome back to this side of the video. So we are leaving the San Isabel National Forest, heading east because the weather's going to get wicked here again this weekend, and I don't want no part of it. So that's Wicked Quest travelers in front of me. Bear with us. Alright folks, we're on US Highway 285 headed south down here to get on US 50 east. Don't go back through Salida and Canyon City and Pueblo today. So just bear with us. It may be just another driving video, and really like it out here, but just I still come too early. Don't come out here till after Memorial Day weekend. That's what I have found out. So bear with us, we're heading this away. Alright folks, we're on US Highway 50 now. Going through Salida, Colorado. I always call it Salida. Salida. Gas $4.35 a gallon for regular. Whew. And I got a message from a highway hero, T. Lee. About the same price over there in the Panhandle of Florida, so it is what it is. We're going to endure for another 2 years, so hang on to your drawers, folks. Here we go. we made it to Pueblo, Colorado. It's a good thing we're not stopping. There's just got a severe thunderstorm warning here. We're continuing east. We're looking at the weather radar. They are building up as they come over off the Rockies. So, got 63 miles to go to our next planned stop. So bear with us. See what we get into. Here we go. Folks, you can see I've made it to eastern Colorado. That Route 71, getting around all these storms, you know, kind of got me on edge. But we're gonna make it to Lyman, Colorado tonight, so bear with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You know, stay safe, stay healthy. We'll catch y'all on the other side.